kitchen today at Moon House. It's in Ashmill, which is not far from Ashwater, and it's in Devon. Yeah, a little bit further over the border from our office in Launceston in Cornwall. This house is fantastic. It was converted from an old shop come warehouse about 3 years ago, not even that. And all the rooms are vast. There's various ceiling heights, and it's over 3 levels, 3 good sized levels. You've got wood panelling. It's been very, very tastefully transformed from a commercial property into a lovely family home. I think you could come on a journey and have a look around with me. It's got its very own pub.